kicking it in school, you feeling good, right? You feeling good about yourself, and then somebody calls you the B word, and you get upset. Who's in control? Who's in control? Them. Think about it. If you're feeling good, and then somebody, what's up? You know how they do it. And then you go, who controlled whom? They controlled you. Look at me. Never give your power to anybody else. Never. In fact, those of you who do not want people to make you feel bad again, put your right hand over your heart and repeat after me. I have decided. No, you're not saying it with confidence. You gotta say it with confidence. I have decided to prevent people from making me feel bad. That's right. I'm gonna give you 2 minutes.